Hi, this video is for all Vans Aircraft customers who may have received aircraft parts in their RV kits that were produced using a laser cutting manufacturing process, but who have not yet submitted a replacement parts request to Vans Aircraft. We're going to describe the process for determining whether or not you want or need to order replacement parts, and we'll talk about how to make your selections for parts and save that using the website that we've set up specifically for that purpose. We'll also explain some important deadlines related to submitting your parts requests and some forthcoming options for those with certain quick build kits. For folks who are not yet familiar, Vans Aircraft is currently in the process of replacing certain parts which we delivered in kits in 2022 and the first half of 2023, some of which were fabricated using a laser cutting process. Variations in the manufacturing of the laser cut parts led to an investigation and testing by Vans Aircraft and a resulting classification list of parts on which each part is classified as either replacement recommended or acceptable for use. Our engineering team noted that in no case did the testing indicate that a laser cut part would perform in any meaningfully different way than a punched part, but out of an abundance of caution, the replacement recommended label was applied to those parts that are primary structure, lack redundancy, or are a component of any flight control. Builders have been supplied a list of parts specific to their affected kits, any kit they received, and can use that information to make decisions about whether or not to replace those parts. Over the past few months, we've sent multiple emails to each customer that may have received laser cut parts in a kit. These emails include a link to our dedicated parts replacement website, and we'll continue to email you reminders until you've completed your part selection and submitted it to us. More than 3/4 of you that we've reached out to have already responded, and we've recorded your orders. Our team is packaging and shipping the replacement orders to you as quickly as possible. For those of you who have not yet completed your part selections, this message is for you. It includes important deadlines after which the replacement parts program will no longer be available. So please watch to the end so you can make your choices and submit them to us here at Vans. Importantly, there are quite a few customers who have decided that they do not want to order any replacement parts. If you fall into that category, we'll still need you to click the link in the email that we send you. When you visit the special site, we present the list of parts that are specific to your kit. You'll see options allowing you to notify us that you don't want any replacement parts or to select the parts that you do wish to receive. Receiving this information from you as soon as possible is important as we complete this complex project. So, we appreciate your support and help. Over the next few minutes, we'll run through some important details that apply to standard kit customers, and then we'll address another set of important items that applies specifically to quick build kit customers. Okay, for standard kit customers, meaning those of you who received affected non-quick build kits, you have from now until June 30th to finish making your replacement part selections on our replacement program website, and then to submit them to us for confirmation, packaging, and shipping. That's the important date for you. June 30th. Requests received after that date cannot be fulfilled under the replacement parts program. If you order after June 30th, any parts ordered by you will be handled as a regular parts order via our web store and will be charged at the regular price. If you've been waiting to order or planning to wait indefinitely, it's important that you shift gears now and select and submit your list of requested parts. Standard wing kit customers who have RV 7, 8, 10, or 14 wing kits that had affected flap and or aileron components will have the option to order either the affected parts to replace for their flaps and ailerons if they haven't assembled them yet, or if you have assembled them already, all of the parts and hardware necessary to assemble them. We'll send those to you at no charge. For quick build kit customers, you have until August 31st to complete your parts selection and submit to us. Requests received after August 31st will be charged at the full price and will need to be ordered by you as a normal parts order via our web store. For quick build wing customers whose RV 7, 8, 10, and 14 kits included affected flaps and ailerons, you'll have the option to order either fully assembled quick build flaps and ailerons, which we will provide at a substantially discounted price, or alternatively, you can order all of the parts and hardware necessary to assemble them on your own, which we will provide at no charge. We've announced previously that engineering solutions would be designed and made available for specific difficult-to-address areas of certain kits. Our team is nearing completion of those solutions, which apply to the following specific kits and models: the RV-10 and RV-14 wing kits, RV-10 and RV-14 fuselage kits, and the RV-8 fuselage kit. The RV-10 and RV-14 engineering solutions will be published within the next week, and we plan to begin shipping parts for those starting in late June. The RV-8 fuselage solution will be published in late June, and we plan to begin shipping those in early July. This is a team effort, to be sure, and we want to get you all of the parts that you need, but we can't do that without your direct participation. So, thank you in advance for helping make this happen. We're excited to keep your build going so you can get to that magical moment when your RV aircraft takes to the skies for the first time. Thank you.